So in order for a garden to be successful, there are certain concepts that we want to master. And once you master these concepts, then your garden can be easy, fun, and productive. So the concept that I would like to talk about today is eliminating whiteflies. So whiteflies are a relative of the aphid, and the adult is about 1/16 of an inch long, and it looks like a fly that is all white. So the adult lays eggs on the tender young leaves of the plants, and then the eggs hatch out in less than a week, and they turn into nymphs that then pupate into adults. So the entire cycle takes less than 4 weeks. So we used to have a really major whitefly problem in our greenhouses until we let the greenhouses freeze over the winter, and we've not had whiteflies again. So I'm careful not to buy plants at the store and introduce them into my greenhouses or gardens until I know they are whitefly free. So in areas that don't freeze, whiteflies, they're really a big problem. So here are my 4 favorite ways to eliminate whiteflies if you can't get a frost to kill them. Number 1 is garlic oil spray. So you can use this for control over the aphids, cabbage loopers, earwigs, June bugs, leafhoppers, squash bugs, and the whiteflies. So you're going to mince 1 bulb of garlic and soak it in 2 teaspoons of mineral oil for 24 hours. Next, mix 1 pint of water with 1 tablespoon of liquid soap, and then add the garlic mixture to the water and the soap. So you're going to mix this thoroughly, and then you're going to strain out the garlic pieces and place this in a jar for storage. And then you're going to use 1 to 2 tablespoons of garlic oil mixed to 2 cups of water, and you want to spray that on the plants, covering all the leaf surfaces, including the bottom, because that's where a lot of the whitefly nymphs are going to be living. Number 2 is yellow sticky traps. So to catch the whiteflies, gnats, and aphids, you use STP motor oil treatment or honey, and you're going to smear that onto a bright yellow plastic and place it amongst your plants that have the whitefly on them. So when the plastic gets full of bugs, you can wipe them off and then reapply the STP motor oil treatment or honey, and then you can set the traps out again. Number 3 is pyrethrins. So pyrethrins are extracts from the chrysanthemum plant, and it is toxic to whiteflies. So you're going to spray it on the plants or use it in a dust form 2 times a week for 4 weeks to kind of break the reproductive cycle. And number 4 is insecticidal soap spray. This will need to be applied every 3 days for 28 days to break the cycle of the whitefly. And you can use the yellow sticky cards or traps just to do some monitoring to see how you're doing. So if you'd like to learn more about other ways to control garden pests, you can get into our homemade organic pest control ebook, and you get the ebook for free when you sponsor the show. So we give it away along with the Gardener's Guide to Perfect Soil and the Preserving Fruits and Vegetables Guide to anyone who sponsors the show at the $8.50 level. So the money raised from the sponsorship goes to keeping the show free to everyone around the world. I feel that everyone should have access to learning how to grow food for themselves and their families. And by sponsoring the show, you are a part of keeping this education free for you and all the people around the world. So if you would like to learn more about high-performance gardening and the garden concepts that lead to success, you can go find those at our website, thelivingfarm.org. There's more articles, videos, and eCourses that can help you on your way to garden success. If you want to learn how to grow $2,500 worth of organic produce with only a 15-minute-a-day commitment, sign up for the High Performance Garden Show. There are hundreds of episodes chock full of my best gardening secrets that I have learned over the last 3 decades. Go to thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show. It's free and online. Also, if you want to join the premier online community of people who grow food, medicine, and build resilient communities, join us today at thegrownetwork.com. Thanks so much for watching. May your garden be easy, fun, productive, and always organic.